Is this thing on? I got Cholo Ken with me right now. So today we're back. Surprise, guys. For those who are not close with us, this is my car.
Dang, buddy.
Like a year and a half ago.
You reckon your shit.
So I blew up my engine like not too long ago. Probably like last year around like October. And recently, like in Vegas, it was pretty windy the past couple of weeks and something hit that shit. And for Ken,
What was it he said before? I forgot what it was. What was it? It was like a... Oh, there's money to be made? We already made money.
we made
As
money,
you can
but we're
see-
still in debt. We're still broke, but
So we're going to come up with a new slogan.
yeah, this is what we got going on. We're gonna actually work on this today. Install a new part. First, we're probably gonna we're gonna go through what we have on our, so I already went through like 2 different headlights. Oh yeah, here you go.
Go ahead.
Some V-Line headlights. I did have a lip. It's obviously gone now because it broke. It was too low. The wheels. I don't care if they're reps. And look at this shit. This was already with the car, but it's about to come off. I'm probably gonna redo this. The tail lights, I already went through 2 sets. The first one that I had is actually in the garage. I didn't really like those that much compared to what I have now. Those are the Valentis. I have a rear diffuser, and then I have a Valenti reverse brake light that I added, and then I have the NVIDIA M2 catback. Then I have this rear spoiler just to add some pizzazz.
Just a flex.
I didn't get to clean before this video, but I got a quick release from Sparco, steering wheel, Sparco. The hub is Energy or NRG, e-brake Energy. I have a Mishimoto shift knob, but the Mishimoto emblem's gone.
Already?
All right, let's go to your car, Ken.
I'm not gonna.
We're gonna tour Mr. Ken's car over here. Let's show him, or show us what he got going on.
So stock wheels. Don't get too close. It's a little scuffed though.
These wheels are good.
BC coilovers. I pretty much maxed them out so that way I could get the lowest I could. NVIDIA exhaust. Forgot exactly what type it was.
Got the
It's
quad
a little-
tips.
It's a little dirty.
Yeah.
I just washed that car yesterday, but I didn't go like full detail.
Dude, I need to wash my car. It's been like weeks for me.
Felt nice and still. I don't know if you could really call that a mod, but it's like really nice. And then I got dark ass tint because I'm getting coffee around here.
Y'all like Dutch Bros, Starbucks.
Pretty normal stuff. Mishimoto shift knob. I have a call access port, but it's hidden because people like to steal.
His M is still there, unlike mine. Alright, right now we're gonna see the sound difference. What we're installing is a cold air intake, as you can see from the title. Alright, basically what I bought is a GrimmSpeed cold air intake. So first, ooh, it comes with a sticker.
You
Let's
spent
go.
how much for a sticker?
Sheesh! Like, this is right $100 right here, bro.
Damn.
Looks like we got the box itself with the other stuff I'm assuming is inside. There's the tube. Oh, you just
nice.
It does smell nice.
That's it?
Yeah, that's all you get.
No
No paper?
instructions?
Wait,
Oh,
are you serious? I think it should come with instructions. All right, so basically there's all the parts together. This is the tools that you pretty much need. And let's get started. All right, first step. Look at this guy. Came from work, already going back to work. There you go. And you should be able to release. You should be
Same
able to.
thing with this one. Push this one.
You don't have to necessarily take that out yet. You can just pull it out. It's gonna be kind of tough, low key. If you want, you could just take out the rest before you take that out. I think it's the 8mm for these. This, and then that one over there. There we go. All right. No way.
No way.
No way that just happened. You see it?
God damn.
What was it? The 10? It's always the 10,
always
bro.
the 10, bro.
If you want to, it's whatever.
I really don't need this.
It's the dirty ass old. Ooh. You found it?
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yo, shit dirty.
Well, yeah. You think it matters which way this goes?
Maybe. I would probably say like the emblem's facing us when we're looking at it.
This, right?
Yeah.
I guess we were wrong.
Interesting.
We got him, I think. You know, I'm gonna just trust myself. Hooray! We're almost there, guys. It only took us like 2 hours. And then there's a measurement that they said, 1 inch from this metal piece to the actual black piece of this filter.
1 inch is a lot.
1 inch is enough. Looks right?
I mean, you look good. Damn, 1 inch is actually small.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, 1 feature. 1 inch is not enough then, okay?
No.
Looks about it. How do I remove this? Oh. That's it, that's all I can do. Alright, this is what it looks like. I'm not done screwing the lid, but that's all we need left. But it looks a lot better. I'm just gonna screw that on and we're gonna see the sound difference. Alright, so right now, I'm actually, I don't know if you can hear me. Well, you probably can, but right now I'm getting a car wash, and because it was like very dirty for the past couple of weeks. But right now we're about to head out to go eat with our friend Chris and maybe Jason. I don't know, I kind of told him last minute that we were going. So we'll see if he ends up showing up. Looks a lot better. Well, thank you, Ken, for helping me install goddamn fucking plane. Holy shit, I gotta talk this close to the phone. Yeah. Alright, that'll be the end of this return video. We're just gonna go eat now, and I don't think anyone wants to really see that, so goodbye.